This is quiz 111, example 3. We're going to graph the image of the given triangle after the transformation with a rule where the point does the opposite of x and the opposite of y. That's what those negatives mean. So here we have our first point, which is at -1. So we go to +1, and y is +3, so we go to -3. Now we're looking at this point here. It is at +3 and 2, so we go to -3 and -2. Hang on, I'm going to write these in. 1, -3, -3, and -2. And this last one is at -2, so we go to +2, and then it's at y is -2, so y will be +2. So this becomes 2, 2. And we can connect the dots. Oh, not very straight. Hang on. Let's see if we can. A ruler. Of course, yours is going to do this for you. You don't need to worry about the ruler. Oops, I didn't mean to draw there. It's okay. And that's where our new triangle will be.